Welcome to Microsoft Copilot Day 4, where we will master the / command. Our goal is vibe coding equals vibe working. You tell the AI your goal, and the AI builds the result. Remember, the AI needs context. It does not know your projects, so you must feed Copilot your files. The / or the / keystroke is what links the AI to your data. Step 1. Type the /. Copilot then shows your recent files. Step 2. Select your file. Copilot searches your entire Microsoft 365 account. Step 3. Add clear instructions. Use the formula: ask plus audience plus format plus tone plus constraints. Use case 1. Summarize long notes. For example, summarize a meeting transcript for the executive team in 3 bullets. Use case 2. Find action items. Simply ask Copilot to list action items out of a specific document. Without the /, a request to summarize your project leads to a vague guess. With the / and the file name, you get exact facts. Regarding enterprise data protection, look for the shield icon. Microsoft does not train public models on your data. Pro tip: always review the draft. Treat Copilot's outputs as drafts and review facts, names, and figures. Your Day 4 assignment is to pick 3 repeatable tasks today and test the / command on a real file. The vibe working checklist includes typing the / to link your files, writing clear prompts, and reviewing the AI draft. Success is a habit, not a technology. You build shortcuts, and you save time.